Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then go to the languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. So here you can see the whole list of available keyboard languages. As you can see, it's pretty enormous, I would say. So let's pick Greek, for example, and tap done. And now let's try to type something in Greek by tapping on this globe icon. You can switch languages, and as you can see here I have Greek language on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.